There will be a new face this February working in the Brandon Regional Health Centre's emergency department.
I'm going to be working in academics as well as in clinical work. And that was the big draw, as well as coming home to friends and family, which you can't replace.
Manitoba-born Dr. Arlie Traynor comes with 25 years' experience. She did her medical training in the United States and has been working as an emergency physician in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. It's a career opportunity, but Traynor says Trump administration policies were also a factor.
And if you combine that with facilitating an ease of transition between the countries, well, it's a no-brainer that you want to come here and practice.
College of Physicians and Surgeons of Manitoba Registrar and CEO Dr. Ainsley Mahalchuk says changes this past March have made the transition easier. U.S.-trained and certified physicians can get a full license to practice in Manitoba without completing Canadian certification exams and don't need a supervisor.
We want people to practice in Manitoba who are safe to care for Manitobans, but we also have to recognize that the training in the United States is on par with the training in Canada.
Between 0 and 3 U.S. physicians have come to Manitoba annually over the past 5 years. Since the change in government south of the border last November, Manitoba has registered 10 physicians and has an additional 8 doctors with applications. Director of Registration Jeremy DeYoung calls that a significant increase and says there's anecdotal evidence it's partly because of the political climate in the U.S.
Particularly around women's health, we've heard some feedback about people wanting to be able to deliver that sort of care and that they can do it in alignment with their ethical commitments.
Traynor found out about the clearer pathway to practice in Manitoba at an emergency medicine conference in Montreal this past May.
The greatest advantage right now is I love that the brain drain is going the other way and that we're hearing how wonderful the Canadian system is and that people are seeing that in the U.S.
Manitoba has a total of around 80 physicians who got their medical training in the U.S. This year, the college says the province will see one of the most significant increases ever in American doctors moving north. Josh Crabb, CBC News, Winnipeg.